We are out here at lot 20 for our update. They do have the trusses up, and as you can see, the carport and the front porch are all going to be covered. Let's check this place out. It's coming along really nicely. And also you can see here the dark gray. That's where those holes were. Remember I talked about they were going to fill the concrete completely solid all the way down. Well, that's their inspection, basically, so that they can see that it filled all the way down. So basically that corner is completely full of concrete. There is completely full of concrete there. So you can kind of see how strong this house is going to be. And like I was trying to explain to you before, if you notice at the trusses, those silver plates, that's where those straps go into it. So basically that strap is in concrete, and then it goes into the truss and holds all that down too. But it's coming along really nicely. Now it's starting to look big in here, and nice high ceilings. Look how high that is. It's going to be a beautiful kitchen, great room, real open. See what I'm talking about, where you're going to have this beautiful view. Right there's going to be your garage. You'll have a great view here too, out in your master bedroom. It's going to be very nice. And kind of remember this when I'm telling you. It's interesting how they do these shower pans, and I'll explain that to you later, but just to start out, they put the concrete down quite a bit lower than the floor, and then they fill it up. It's a pretty neat process. Look how big this patio is going to be. It's all going to be covered. High ceilings in there also. And don't forget also, one of the things that I was talking about with this patio, you can make it level with the floor here, and then bring your tile straight out onto the patio and make it look like one room. And then also you can do roll down shutters that, you know, you push a button that rolls down and closes all this in. You can see that gray ring out there. That's where the fountain's going to be, it looks like. So you're going to be right on the fountain. It's going to kill down any road noise or anything like that. So this is going to be a great build, and I'll update you guys when we get some more stuff done.